I'm Michelle and this is Matthew. We moved here 3 years ago. To be honest, we moved here because it's more affordable to us. The best part obviously is the Under 5 program because it happens every Monday and Friday. We have toys at home, but here, when she comes here, it's something new for her. A lot of the children's center in this area, they close in the summer, so there are no place for us to go. We live in London and a lot of us live in high-rise or tower block building and we don't actually know our neighbours. Through the summer programs, I actually met a lot of people who's actually living in like very close proximity and they're actually going through similar like parenthood and similar stage of life like me. So it's quite encouraging to know that I actually know some people who are in my similar situation living nearby and I can see them walking around in the park and on the street. A lot of mums agree with me that the park cafe makes us feel more safe using the park because we know that there are some good people or staff or volunteers like working here.